here, facing the right in overhand, and then turn to the left, air wrap, and turn back to overhand. And I'd be doing, from my perspective, a clockwise air wrap, even though from your perspective it looks anti-clockwise on the screen. So I'm just doing, all you do is just a weave and an air wrap and back to your weave. So as you come out with the left hand, you pull it down so that it comes out of the air wrap and then come over the top to go back in. Down, back, over the top. Down, back, over the top. Down, back, over the top. You do the air wrap and you keep your right hand here and you cross your left hand over the top. Right, so you do your air wrap, you keep the crossing hand on that side and then take the home hand and cross it over the top. Now, if you were going to go to the right, it'd be the same basic thing, only it would be when the left crosses over and then your right hand comes over the top to go back in. One thing that can be helpful is when you turn to go into it, instead of thinking of it this way, actually rotating your body enough to open it up so that it feels like it's a front plane move. So you know, turning into it, I think, can help nail the air wrap better, since mostly the relationship to the air wrap we've learned has been front plane. I think we're doing this, and then immediately this, and immediately this. So it's a two beat to the air wrap, two beat to the air wrap, two beat to the air wrap. I'm actually waiting to get back in and then going to the other side. So doing more than one. You can do whatever you want. I'm just saying, I think what you're doing is even harder because you have less time to acclimate before you're on the other side doing the next air wrap. You do that and that. So this is the version you were doing with the two beat. The two beat. The two beat. I would say though that it's different and distinct to learn how to cross to your right side and then to learn how to cross to your left side, because your ability to succeed on each side depends on your capacity to do, when you cross to your right from underhand, the clockwise version, and when you cross to the left, your anti-clockwise version. So if one version is stronger than the other, it'll be easier than the other. If you cross to your right side and you do your air wrap, again, your crossing hand stays there, and then your home hand comes underneath to go back into the underhand weave. So you do your air wrap, keep the crossing hand there, cross underneath to go back into the underhand weave. Do the air wrap, and then keep the hand there. So my left hand, which is crossing, stays there while my right comes under it. Or if I were doing underhand to the other side of my body, to the left side of my body, it would be my right hand crosses, and I do the air wrap. Apparently that's my weaker direction. The right hand crosses, I do my air wrap. The right hand stays there and the left crosses underneath. Right, so you come here, you air wrap, this one stays, this one crosses underneath. But this is from underhand, not overhand. Well, I think if you learn the static ones first, it helps to get the turnaround. We could do some version of this where we did it like in a weave turnaround. Right, so I'm in my underhand, air wrap on this side, overhand, air wrap on this side, underhand, or I could turn left, go to my counterclockwise to my clockwise, to my counterclockwise, to my overhand, to my clockwise,